Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Decorating with whimsy. Charming, cheeky and funny home decor ideas. Sometimes in the design world we take ourselves way too seriously. Like, way. Okay, maybe just all of us do that. Life gets busy, jobs must be done, kids must be raised, yards must be mowed. Notice all the periods in these sentences? Way. Too serious. So let's shake it up a little, and vow to add some charming, cheeky and funny home decor ideas here and there in our homes, to spark a smile and to remind us that life is too short not to have some fun too. Funny home decor items. Turn your fun house into a fun home with the funny home decor on dazzling display below. You could say these pieces of wall decor, funny candles, hilarious wood signs, and chuckle-inducing rustic home decor really tie the room together. And you can tie together your outdoor display too with funny garden gnomes that the homeowner will hate. That means everyone else will love them. Got a friend with a sense of humor? These are great for funny housewarming gifts, too. How about a throw pillow with Nick Cage's face on it or dinosaur-themed kitchen decor? The gag gift opportunities are endless with funny bathroom decor that's as high quality as it is hilarious. Your house should be a place of comfort and happiness, and nothing will put a smile on your face like a belly laugh.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.